Droughts and floods don't just happen, they're engineered because the weather itself has been weaponized, turned into a tool to control who gets water, who grows food, and who survives. When skies can be switched on and off like a faucet, freedom disappears from the ground up. Farmers lose crops, families face rationing, entire nations can be broken without firing a single shot. This isn't about climate chaos, it's about control by design. For decades, governments and corporations have quietly developed weather modification, cloud seeding, ionization, geoengineering, always sold as protection or climate response. But if you can steer rain, you can starve fields. If you can block the sun, you can collapse harvests. If you can flood a region, you can break its economy. And here's the betrayal. The very tech they claim will save us is the same tech that can be used to starve us. Since the 1940s, cloud seeding has been used to force rain. China openly bragged about using it before the Beijing Olympics to keep skies clear. The US military tested it in Vietnam under Project Popeye to extend monsoon seasons. Weather modification isn't theory, it's documented history. And yet, you'll almost never hear it mentioned in public. Today, the same agenda is rebranded as geoengineering, spraying reflective particles to block sunlight or schemes to manipulate rainfall. The UN, the WEF, and major universities talk about it as if it's inevitable. But global weather management means global leverage. Whoever runs the system decides who bakes and who floods. Weather isn't just about the sky, it's about survival. When rain patterns shift or harvests fail, food prices spike. Farmers collapse under debt, and corporations, the same ones tied to policy boards, scoop up the land. Look at California's droughts, billions in losses for small farms, while agribusiness giants consolidate. Or Australia's floods, small towns devastated while commodity prices soar. Now tie this to digital ID and carbon scores. Imagine a system where access to water, food, and energy is rationed through your ID, and weather manipulation provides the excuse. We're not talking about protecting the climate, we're talking about engineered scarcity. Then managing who gets permission to survive. The weather wasn't just changed, it was weaponized. And once the sky itself is engineered, freedom doesn't vanish in a storm. It vanishes in silence, hidden behind words like protection, climate response. Subscribe if you want to see how the systems above us are rewriting the lives below us.